Ho ho! Ready to give yourself the gift of a better financial future? Welcome to Apex Finance. Today, we're starting with the basics. Part 1. How to buy your very first stock using Cash App. Step 1. Download Cash App from the App Store or Google Play and set up your account. Create your account with your phone or email. Verify your identity and link your bank account to add funds. Step 2. Add money to your balance. Just tap that dollar icon on your home screen. Tap Add Cash and enter an amount. Even $1 works. Confirm it with your PIN or Touch ID. Step 3. Navigate to Investing. Tap the chart icon at the bottom to open the Investing tab. Step 4. Find a stock. Tap the search icon and type a company name or ticker symbol like Apple. Select the stock from the results to open its performance page and see the history. Step 5. Buy the stock. Tap that big green buy button to get started. Enter your amount. Remember, Cash App uses fractional shares, so you don't need to buy a full share. Review the details and tap. Buy again to confirm. Just like that. You are officially a shareholder. Step 6. Track your investment. Visit the Investing tab anytime to see how your portfolio is performing. Now for the fun part. Part 2. How to find stocks that actually have the potential to grow. First, look for strong, recognizable brands with loyal customers. These are great starting points. Second, check revenue and earnings growth. Use sites like Google Finance to see if they're rising. Look for earnings per share, trending upward, and make sure the company's debt is manageable. Third, watch the news and trends. Sectors like AI, energy, and healthcare are expanding right now. Fourth, check the 52-week chart. Is the long-term trend upward? Dips can be great buying opportunities. Fifth, use the Cash App Stocks feed to discover trending companies and specialized collections. If you're unsure about individual stocks, try ETFs. They spread your money across many companies. Popular ETFs like SPY or QQQ are lower risk for beginners because they are instantly diversified. Seventh, use the GARP strategy. Growth at a reasonable price. Find low PE ratios with high growth. Tools like Finviz or Seeking Alpha can help you screen for these hidden gems in the market. Investing is a journey, not a race. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. Marry investing from Apex Finance. Go out there and level up your finances today.